Now let us discuss about T to JK flip-flop conversion. Here totally we have to follow 5 steps. Now let us see all the steps one by one. So step 1, identify available and the required flip-flops. Available flip-flop means input flip-flop, that is T flip-flop. Required flip-flop means output flip-flop, that is JK flip-flop. Step 2 is based upon the required flip-flop, whereas step 3 and step 4 are based upon the available flip-flops. Step 2, construct characteristic table for the required flip-flop, that is output flip-flop, JK flip-flop. Here the inputs are J, K and Qn are the inputs, whereas output is Qn plus 1. Here we have 3 inputs. So totally we will have 2 power 3, that is 8 combinations. So first one decimal number 0 binary number 000. Next decimal number 1 binary number 001. So likewise last one decimal number 7 binary number, that is 111. So let us see what is Qn plus 1, what is the output here. We know about JK flip-flop. If the inputs are 0 0, then here there is no change in the output. So Qn plus 1 is similar to Qn only. In 0 0 means there is no change in the output. Okay. So Qn plus 1 is equal to Qn only. Next 2 cases, J value is 0, K value is 1. Here K means reset. Reset means output is 0. So what is K value? 1. So K value is 1 means reset is enabled. So reset is enabled means output is 0. Next, if you observe the next 2 cases, J value and K value 1 0. Here J value is 1. So J means set. So set means 1. So the output is 1. Next, if you observe the last 2 cases, JK values 1 1. So here 1 1 means toggled. So this Qn will be complemented. So 0 will be complemented, it will become 1. 1 will be complemented, it will become 0. Next step 3, construct excitation table for the available flip-flop, that is T flip-flop. So step 3 and step 4 are based upon the available flip-flops. Here Qn and Qn plus 1 are the inputs, whereas T is the output. Here we have 2 inputs, so totally we will have 2 power 2, that is 4 combinations. The excitation table for the T flip-flop is very simple. If the inputs are same, then the output is 0. So 0 0, so same inputs, so output is 0. 1 1, same inputs, so output is 0. Whereas if the inputs are different, then the output is 1. So 0 1, different outputs, 1 1 0, different outputs, 1 0, different bits. So 0 1 different bits, 1 0 different bits, so output is 1. Now according to the excitation table, here we have to fill this table. Why? Because in the next step we have to obtain the Boolean expression for the available flip-flop. So here the available flip-flop is T. So for that we have to fill this table. Qn plus 1. If the inputs are same, then what is the output? 0, 1 1, same, 0, 0 0, same, 0, 1 0, different, 1, 0 1, different, 1, 1 1, same, 0, 0 1, different, 1, 1 0, different, 1. Next step 4, find the Boolean expression for the available flip-flop, that is T flip-flop. So step 2 is based upon the required flip-flop, whereas step 3 and step 4 are based upon the available flip-flop. If you observe T column, here we have 4 ones. Here we have 3 inputs. So we need 3 variable Karnaugh map. So here this corner represents J, this corner represents K, Qn. If you observe T column, here we have 1. 0 1 1 means 1. 0 1 1 1. Next here we have 1. 1 0 0 1. Next 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. We can combine these 2 cells as a group. So what is the expression? So T equal to here J value is changing, so there is no need to consider J. Whereas 1 1, So KQN plus, we can combine these two cells as a group. Here J value is 1, so J 0 0 1 0, second 0 is common, so what is second 0? Qn bar. So this is the expression for T, KQN plus JQN bar. And the last step is we have to draw the circuit diagram. Here what is the available flip-flop? T flip-flop is the available flip-flop. Actual output is Qn and the complemented output is Qn bar. Here what is the expression? KQN. So let us assume that this input is K. So K, let us take a little bit below. So K and the second input is Qn. So this AND gate will produce as KQN. Next, we require one more AND gate which perform operation on J and Qn bar. So let us take J here, J, and what is the second input? That is Qn bar. So this AND gate will produce as JQN bar. So simply we have to perform the OR operation. Simply we have to perform the, let us write a little bit above. We need to perform the OR operation and this output will be passed as input to the T. So this is about the circuit diagram. In this way we can convert T to the JK flip-flop.